is June what is it? Today is June the 28th. And it is, what time is it? It's time to shine, yeah, but it's 2:47, and I'm out here doing a job, getting some scratches off a Nissan Versa. Yeah, I do specialize in scratch removal and scuff removals as well. So I can get your headlights to flippity flop. My mean ding drippity drop. Check me out right here. What we got? We got these scratches right here. This Nissan Versa. Get to working. I'm gonna get these scratches out this car, and I'll get back with you. The flip flop man is back in effect. I just finished getting these scratches out of this car, this Nissan Versa. I want to show you my I got these scratches out. Scratches and skulls. Wow! Alright, now like I said before, I'm the flip flop man, Rob. And on Time to Shine, Headlight Restoration, mobile detail. You call me 804-584-930, where we get your headlights to flippity flop with my mean ding drippity drop.